Well, okay guys, as you can see, there's a little assortment of different trimmers here, and I'm going to show you how to easily fix any trimmer, any gas-powered trimmer, to make sure that it works for you, and you'll never have to prime it again, you'll never have to fill it with gas again, you'll never have to clean the carburetor again. You know, the general spring stuff that you have to do every single year to get your trimmer working again. Because you know, each one of these has gas in it. Yeah, it's got about a half tank there. And you know, you got to put your choke on, you got to prime it. Yeah, I think it's like 6 things. Well, this primer bubbles. It's not working. And you got to, you know, I don't even see the cord on this one. Where is the cord on this one? Did I break the cord on this one? I must have broke it. I must have broke the pull cord on that one. I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Right there. I'm just blind. Yeah, you pull it 100 times. Okay, that one's not going to start. We're going to fix that one. This is going to be the same thing. Put the choke on, hit your primer. This has fuel in it, about half tank. You got to pull a couple times. See? So we're going to fix that. We're going to fix it. So we never have to fix it. Okay, and the first step to fixing all of these is real simple. It's only a 2-step process. But the first step is real simple. You find your favorite trash receptacle and you just toss them in. And the second step is to go out and get yourself a Hart 40-volt string trimmer. This is going to save you at least an hour or 2 of headache every spring. You know, first thing in the spring. It's going to save you the headache whenever it's a little cold in the morning and the trimmer doesn't want to like stay running unless the choke's on. You know, and then you got that extra ping 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 sound in it. And it's annoying and gives you a headache, and then you're just annoyed. Real simple. Push your button. It doesn't matter. She will start up. First time, every time. As long as you remember to charge your battery. Well, I hope that helps you guys out in how to fix any string trimmer, gas-powered string trimmer, to make sure that you never have to worry about cleaning it again, you know, getting the carburetor cleaned, emptying out the fuel, and refueling it, and, replacing, you know, filters, and maybe gaskets whenever you have to rebuild the carburetor, because, you know, I mean, unless you like doing that. I mean, if you like wasting an hour or 2 every spring, and then 15-20 minutes several times throughout the year to, you know, fix it and get it working perfectly again, and getting it working right, you know, to where you don't have to choke on the whole time. You know, if you like doing all that, by all means. But this, you'll never have to do any of that again. That's nice and simple.